Oh, Workshop Wednesday. Hello guys, welcome back to VanHaven. I'm Tom, and this is the VanHaven workshop. We're gonna have a little look round, see what guys are up to. Shawnee in the background showing me how big his is. Robbo, Workshop Wednesday.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Edition 73.
Oh, yeah. So at this point in time, though, what are you doing?
Alcantara headline.
Oh, lovely. Just a quick one, because obviously people can see the before, and then if they've got a van with the Alcantara headline in, they can see it after.
Yeah.
What's this bit for?
This is some paint on glue that we use, because obviously they're the sort of high tension areas, so there's potential areas that will drop.
Oh, sweet.
So we put a little bit of extra glue on there, then the spray glue, and then hopefully we shouldn't get any droppage.
Dan, where are you going?
Off to do a water test, Tomo.
Ah, once we fit a roof, we do a water test. Not only does it test for any leaks, but it also helps seal the tent in, believe it or not. See you in a minute, Dan. What are you doing, Oles? You've joined us at the best time. It's almost end of play on Wednesday. People are beginning to go home. People are beginning to shut up shop, tidy up. Let's see what I've been doing. So this is for a customer. He's specifically asked for it to be a panel van. So inside, it's got one of our panel lining kits. He's actually opted for a halo roof, which is pretty sick. I shall turn that on now for the extra light. At this current stage, my floor has been bonded in, and I've just used a lot of batteries just to weigh it down and make sure it stays nice and level. Old trick in the game, basically. Lovely setup in the front. He's got a 2+1, again, kind of like buildery van, but a bit of space for 3 people and obviously a lot of tool space in the back. There's not a lot of difference in these vans. Having worked on a lot of the transporters in the past, the new transporter is actually really quite straightforward to work on. You wouldn't believe it, but you actually get a bit more space in the back because they're a little bit wider and they're square at the top. So when you come down to thinking about maybe having a camper van or something like that, you can actually get a wider unit and a 3-seater bed, 3-seater seat, 2-seater seat, rock and roll seat. Brilliant bit of kit, brilliant bit of kit. Workshop Wednesday, what are you doing?
Checking this van out with Captain Jack.
Captain Jack.
Main man on the tools, isn't he?
What time
you
is
skipped
it?
lunch
what time
as well?
Is it?
4 o'clock nearly.
4 o'clock nearly.
Yeah.
Look, still haven't even had lunch yet.
Oh, healthy. What have you got?
Got the chipotle chili beef. Good. High protein.
Seriously though, Workshop Wednesday. Jack, what are you up to?
What am I doing? I am mounting a fold-out or swing-out table to a quarter panel. So when it's stowed, obviously they can have somewhere to put it, rather than leaving it behind the seat.
Oh, sick.
Yeah. What do you mean seriously? What, like I'm not important?
Well, you know, Workshop Wednesdays are about what the team's doing and stuff like that, not about what you're having for lunch.
Oh. Yeah. Well, like I'm not part of the team. Thanks, Tom.
Oh.
Yeah. Thanks, mate. Thanks, buddy.
Oops. What are you doing today?
Making a mess, mate.
Making a mess. Oh, this is quite a big build, this one, isn't it? You got a water heater.
Yeah.
Have you got a setup in the back?
Well, I've got an Uber wagon going in the back.
Uber wagon in the back.
Full height drawers.
Full
Leighton.
Rah.
Air ride.
This would be a really nice one to have a feature on a Workshop Wednesday, actually, if you don't mind.
It's finished.
When it's finished.
Yeah, it sounds a bit long. I ain't got time for videos, probably.
Sometimes in the workshop we have unfamiliar faces. There is a young lady in this vehicle working alongside Jordan that's actually on work experience. So let's go and have a look. Geordie, Workshop Wednesday, what is going down?
So at the moment, me and Olivia, we're just doing some library pack in the rear.
Lovely.
You can see she's laid down the front, done a really awesome job of that.
Oh, nice one.
We're just doing our arches at the moment after doing the lower quarters, sliding door and tailgate. And then it'll be putting the caravel rails in and doing the floor afterwards.
Oh, sick.
So yeah, we've got a really big build on this one.
Just a curiosity question. What is the importance of a library pack?
Oh, everything. It removes all the reverberation from the vehicle on the tin panels, road noise reduction. It just makes it a whole better place to be. It makes it less of a
tidy.
builder's van and more of a luxury van, you might say.
Oh, fair play. And can I ask you one question, miss? How are you getting on?
I really like it.
Oh, fantastic. So, another Workshop Wednesday, builder in the making. Dan, I was so busy chatting to everyone else.
I know.
We can see that the van and the tent is pretty much wet, it's dripping wet. Can you just go over the importance of a wet test?
Yeah, so we're just basically making sure that it's sealed, aren't we? So
Yeah. So if we look up on the top, you can see round the edge, there's a bead of silicone which goes right the way round, and it's just making sure that the tent is sealed into the van.
thanks for that. You basically took the words out of my mouth, Tom, and saved me the job.
It's all right. It's Wednesday, isn't it? I've got to do something. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. A quick, informative Workshop Wednesday from me, myself, Tom, and VanHaven crew.